Okay, I think I remember. Abstraction. Pointing at abstraction, 2 plus 3. Alright, that was it. 2 plus 3. So when you have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, it's actually capturing our perceptual system. Two ways of looking at the same thing. Can we look at this as being 2 and 3, or can we look at this as 5? So an equal sign is the process, that is 2 and 3, or we can change. The actual equal sign is not an equal sign, it's not exactly the same sign. It's like, or we can think about it as being a 5. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. I tried to explain this to the kids. They kind of got it, they kind of didn't. So then, the next day, we're talking about money again, and I was like, okay, I'm going to say something controversial. And then I said stuff about money, about the fact that, I mean, where did it come from, this metal? I hate carrying this metal around. It was invented by the Phrygians in the 8th century BC. And then we talked about money, about the Chinese coming up with paper, and then giving that to people and saying, no, it might not look like gold and so on and so forth, but actually it is worth that. And then I got a £20 note out, and I was saying, the bearer of this can go to a bank and can ask for £20 weight of sterling silver. And they were like, and then you've got a plastic card, which is worth even less than metal, even worth less than paper, I suppose. There it is, and yet that could be worth several thousands of pounds, and it varies. And the whole point about banks and what they do, and it was just amazing. But it was very factual, very kind of like history, because the first time talking about abstraction is a bit tricky. So maths consists of the abstraction, the relationship between things, and enumeration, that is the measurement of things. Because we have the measurement of things, we get things like physics, where we can actually measure the things. Newton measures various things and then creates the formula, the relationship F equals ma, that relationship between measurements of certain things, qualities about the world, and so on and so forth. Do you see? And so that's what I did with them. That's what I did with them. And that was kind of entertaining. We had a bit of a laugh about, It was quite interesting about money. We finished that topic, helped people individually. Is that all we did? And on the last day, what did we do on the last day? About money? Well, we meant to have done mortgages and asked people about mortgages. We did that. We tried to do 2 exercises. It didn't quite work. More like problem solving. It was just stuff that went on. It was good. But good kids. I had a good time. We did a lot of stuff. Tried to do a bit more maths. Tried to treat it more like a problem solving session rather than a factual learn what APR is. Kids don't want to know what superannuation is. Doesn't want to know. I don't want to know. Adults don't really want to know. We have to do it, kind of thing. But it's all done for us anyway, automatically. So the whole thing was just this weird exercise. So what can you do with that? Have a bit of a laugh, I suppose. Anyway, that was the third years.